What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today is going to be a short one. I really just wanted to announce that we are going to be doing a meet here pretty soon. This is going to be on Friday coming up. And so I just wanted to let everybody know that you come out, hang out with the team and everything. So that'll be on April 29th. We're going to be doing it from 9 p.m. It says till midnight, but it's really until we kind of just done. Usually that happens around midnight. We're gonna have some of the homies from down south here as well, so you'll be seeing some new faces on the video that I'm gonna be doing, and new cars as well. But yeah, this is just so if you guys are interested. I should have a Facebook event page set up for it. I will have a flyer as well. I'll go ahead and add I'll add the information like where it's at in the description below, but it's going to be basically out here in the Orlando or Central Florida area, so closer to Orlando. I was gonna make this one of the shorts, but the main reason I didn't do that is because it doesn't get seen by the people who have like their notifications turned on. They don't usually give out notifications for the shorts, so this way you can get the video to come up. But yeah, definitely look forward to seeing y'all who can actually make it. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this one short. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. As always, stay fitted. Peace.